Hi, I'm Roger and welcome back to the Tractor Tech channel. I have two dirty tractors here. Both these tractors really need a proper detailing. I don't even have time to do a hand washing on them today, so I'm going to show you how I wash these tractors quickly. Hopefully I can get this done in about 15 minutes, maybe even less. So the trick to doing this quickly is a foam cannon. You can get these on Amazon fairly cheap. I'll include a link in the video description. And then I have some actual touchless car wash. I bought a 5-gallon bucket of it. I just pour it in a quart container to make it easy to pour into my foam cannon. Then to run the foam cannon, you're going to need a pressure washer. You don't need anything fancy. Just a cheap electric pressure washer would do the trick. I have a 2600 PSI 2.3 GPM pressure washer. So my plan is to spray the BX down with foam first. While it's setting, doing its thing, I'm going to spray the 4240 down with foam. Then while it's setting, I'll come back and rinse the BX off. And then I'll rinse the 4240 off. and it's 7:57. I'm done now. You can tell both tractors look a lot better. You may have noticed that when I was rinsing, I start at the bottom and then I go to the top. I do that so I can tell the areas that I've rinsed so that way I don't miss anything. Then once I'm done rinsing the whole tractor, I'll go top to bottom to be sure I got all the dirt off the tractor. You can use pretty much any kind of soap you want in the foam cannon like a regular car wash. The results you're going to get are going to be comparable or maybe a little bit better than a touch-free car wash. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this.